Alrighty folks, we're back here at Thunder Valley CB Shop. We got the Wolfman, we got the Galaxy 939, $200, tune-up is $50, so you're looking at $250 for that one. We got a Cobra 29 LX with the weather channel on it, the radio is $150 and the tune-up is $50. And finally, we got the Connex 36 high power back in stock. The radio is $280 and the tune-up's $50. I have still the Galaxy 959 with the freak counter, the American flag edition. Alright, that one we're asking $300. And I've got the Road King down here. The Road King's going for $100. We got the Cobra 29, which is $145. And we got a Cobra Chrome in here. It's $180. Alright, folks. We still got our radio wraps in here. They're getting to be pretty popular. I'm selling a lot of them. Thank you. And we still have my son's paintings. So come on, let's help my son out here and buy some of these paintings. We can negotiate on the price, whatever you want to do. Alright, guys. We still have microphones. We got Echo mics. I got coax connectors, American flag mics, the Rode Devil, the D104. We finally got some Predators in, and I've only got a couple Vipers left. I've only got 6 of them left. I think I sold 12 today. There's one hanging up. It's kind of cool. You see they got the snake skin on them with the snake eyes. Big old snake eyes there. It's pretty cool. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like to my YouTube page, Thunder Valley CB Shop. Thank y'all for watching and God bless.